Here we are, 2013. We all depend on technology to communicate, to bank, information, and none of us know how to read and write.
13 when I first got access to a computer.
My parents bought me a Macintosh in 1984 when I was 8 years old.
I was in 6th grade.
I learned to code in college.
Freshman year, first semester, intro to computer science.
I wrote a program to play tic-tac-toe.
I think it was pretty humble beginnings. I think the first program I wrote asked things like, what's your favorite color? Or how old are you?
Hello everyone. This is the setup for home automation using voice control home automation using mobile phone. First we have to connect the appliances using jumper wires to the Arduino pins. Okay, as per diagram, as per code. Okay, we have to connect the light first with a fast relay. Okay, that relay is connected to the pin 8 of Arduino. Then second one is the pin 9 is connected to the servo motor. Okay, we are using servo motor for the gate purpose, door open close. Okay, then third one is the 8 9 10 is used for pump. Okay, DC pump for irrigation purpose, that is connected to second relay. Okay, second relay connected to pin 10 and pin 11 is the for fan, DC fan. Okay, then for this application needs Bluetooth connection. Okay, that's why we are using a Bluetooth module. Then TX RX of Bluetooth connected to pin 0 and 1 of Arduino. Okay, then we will give you a Bluetooth application for this project. Okay, you have to install it on mobile phone, then pair it with Bluetooth, then you have to test it. Okay, actually already we load the code in Arduino. Okay, now we say voice commands as per the coding what I have written here and there. Then if you want on the light first, then you have to say light on, and this is the application what I have installed it. This is already will provide with the kit. Okay, you have to install it and pair it with the Bluetooth module. Okay, then if you want to on the light first, then you have to say light on. Light on. Okay, light on now. If you want to off it, then say light off. Okay, that is for light. Then we will try for pump. Okay, this is irrigation pump. Then we will say irrigation start. Okay, this is the pump. To stop the pump, irrigation stop. Okay, irrigation stop. Then for fan, you have to say room fan on. Room fan on. Fan on. Same for off. Room fan off. Okay. This is complete for light, fan and pump. Now for gate. Okay. For gate, you have to say gate open. Gate open. Okay, we have given some delay. First it will open, then wait some time, then it will close. If you want to some modification, then you can design it in your own way. Okay, no issue. We will provide all the details with the kit. Okay, then this is the working of a one project. We will provide this type of near about 50 projects with the kit. You have to load different coding and test it as per the coding, as per the diagram. If you want to some changes there, you can do it, no issue. Thank you.